strong.
An object is said to be in motion if it changes its position with respect to time and surroundings. A moving car, flying bird, these are few examples of motion. Now we will discuss about rest position. The object which does not change its position unless and until an external unbalanced force acting on it, then that object are said to be in rest position. A book lying on the table, a bench fixed in a park, these are few examples of rest position. Types of motion: rectilinear motion, circular motion, rotational motion, periodic motion. These are types of motion. A man walking on a straight path is an example of rectilinear motion. The motion of hands in a clock is an example of circular motion. A moving ball is an example of rotational motion. The motion of pendulum in a clock is an example of periodic motion. These motions are further divided into uniform and non-uniform motion. Uniform motion. An object is said to be in uniform motion if it covers equal distances in equal interval of time. Let us understand this definition with a simple example. Suppose a car is moving on a road and after every 2 seconds it covers 4 meter distance. So there is a uniformity, means to cover 4 meter distance every time it requires equal interval of time, that is 2 seconds. If we plot a graph for this, we will get a straight line. Now we will see non-uniform motion. An object is said to be in a non-uniform motion if it covers equal distances in unequal intervals of time, or it covers unequal distances in equal intervals of time. Here we will observe that the car covers unequal distance in equal interval of time, that is 2 seconds. If we plot a graph for this, we will get a curved line. I hope you have learned this topic very well. So do practice.